DJI, a brand synonymous with innovation in drones and imaging tech, is rumored to be preparing its next-generation action powerhouse, the Osmo Action 6. Though shrouded in secrecy, leaks, regulatory filings, and industry whispers paint a picture of a device designed to redefine what's possible in portable filmmaking. From advanced stabilization to groundbreaking low-light capabilities, here's everything we know and speculate about DJI's most ambitious action camera yet, Osmo Action 6. DJI's Osmo Action series has steadily climbed the ranks since its 2019 debut, challenging GoPro's dominance with competitive pricing, robust features, and seamless integration with the brand's ecosystem. The upcoming Osmo Action 6 appears poised to build on this legacy while addressing key criticisms of its predecessor, the Action 5 Pro. Regulatory filings with the FCC confirm the camera's existence, signaling an imminent launch, likely in mid to late 2025, aligning with DJI's annual refresh cycle. Leaked images of the retail packaging, shared by tipsters on X, suggest a design continuity with prior models. The box art hints at a familiar rugged build, though subtle tweaks, like the absence of aperture markings on the lens, have sparked debates about authenticity. While DJI remains tight-lipped, the collective evidence points to a camera that's more evolution than revolution, refining proven strengths while introducing critical upgrades. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to retain the 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor from the Action 5 Pro, a size that balances image quality with portability. However, DJI may pair this sensor with AI-driven noise reduction algorithms and a redesigned lens to tackle one of the series' persistent weak spots: low-light performance. Early leaks suggest the camera could deliver cleaner, more vibrant footage in dimly lit environments, such as sunset hikes or indoor events, reducing the need for external lighting. Industry analysts speculate that DJI might even adopt stacked sensor technology borrowed from Sony's high-end mirrorless cameras. This would allow faster readout speeds, minimizing motion blur in fast-paced scenes, a game-changer for athletes and creators filming high-speed sports like mountain biking or surfing. DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady Stabilization have already set benchmarks, but the Action 6 could push further. Rumors hint at AI-enhanced stabilization that mimics the smoothness of a mechanical gimbal, even during extreme activities. Imagine capturing buttery smooth footage while snowboarding down a rocky slope or sprinting through uneven terrain without needing bulky accessories. This upgrade would directly challenge GoPro's Hypersmooth 6.0 and Insta360's flow state, cementing DJI's reputation as a leader in handheld stabilization. While 4K 120 frames per second is now table stakes, the Osmo Action 6 might leap into 5.3K or even 8K recording, following industry trends toward higher resolutions. Though 8K remains niche for most users, it offers future-proofing for professionals who crop footage or reframe shots in post-production. Coupled with 10-bit color depth and improved dynamic range, the camera could appeal to filmmakers seeking cinematic flexibility in a compact form. For slow-motion enthusiasts, the Action 6 is rumored to support 240 frames per second at 4K, allowing dramatic slow-mo sequences without sacrificing clarity. Battery anxiety plagues every action camera user, but DJI seems to have a fix. Leaks point to two battery variants: a 1,770 mAh option for lightweight portability and a 1,950 mAh pack, mirroring the Action 5 Pro's endurance. This dual-model strategy could culminate in a standard Action 6 and a Pro variant, with the latter offering extended runtime, enhanced cooling, or exclusive features like ProRes codec support. Such differentiation would let DJI cater to both casual adventurers and professionals. Imagine a hiker opting for the compact model, while a documentary filmmaker invests in the Pro for all-day shoots. DJI's software prowess is expected to shine with AI-powered shooting modes. Building on the Action 5 Pro's active track, The Action 6 might introduce real-time subject recognition, allowing the camera to lock onto moving targets like a cyclist or wildlife with pinpoint accuracy. New time-lapse and hyperlapse presets tailored for specific scenarios could further simplify creative workflows. The Action 6 is rumored to support Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, enabling faster file transfers and smoother live streaming. But DJI's ace in the hole is its ecosystem. Seamless pairing with DJI drones, the Mic 2 wireless microphone, and editing tools like Lightcut could create a unified workflow for content creators. Imagine recording aerial shots with a Mavic drone, syncing audio via the Mic 2, and editing footage on the go, all within DJI's ecosystem. The leaked packaging hints at a design nearly identical to the Action 5 Pro, retaining its 2.25-inch rear touchscreen and 1.4-inch front display. However, rumors of OLED panels with higher brightness suggest improved visibility under direct sunlight, a common pain point for outdoor creators. Durability remains a priority. While DJI hasn't confirmed specs, the Action 6 will likely maintain 18 to 20 meters waterproofing without a housing, alongside dust and shock resistance. A minor but impactful tweak could be a redesigned lens guard to reduce flare issues reported in the Action 5 Pro, ensuring crisp visuals in backlit scenarios. The action camera arena is fiercer than ever. GoPro's Hero 14 will likely counter with refinements to hypersmooth and enduro battery tech, while Insta360's modular approach lures vloggers and 360-degree enthusiasts. DJI's response? Vertical integration. By tying the Action 6 to its drones, gimbals, and apps, DJI offers a cohesiveness that competitors can't match. Price will also play a key role. The Action 5 Pro launched at $349, and the upcoming Action 6 is expected to stay within the $300 to $400 range, undercutting GoPro's premium pricing. A tiered structure, $329 for the standard model and $399 for the Pro, could appeal to budget-conscious buyers without alienating professionals. Leaks from reliable sources suggest DJI is also testing a 360-degree Osmo camera, possibly launching alongside the Action 6. While details are scarce, this device could rival Insta360's X5, offering 8K 360 capture and AI-powered reframing tools. For adventurers and VR creators, this would mark DJI's bold entry into a niche but growing market. If you're eyeing an action camera today, patience might pay off. The Osmo Action 6's rumored upgrades, especially in low light, stabilization, and ecosystem integration, could justify holding out until mid-2025. However, competitors aren't idle. GoPro's next-gen Hero and Insta360's modular kits promise their own leaps forward. For DJI loyalists or creators embedded in its ecosystem, the Action 6 seems destined to be a standout. Its potential to bridge the gap between consumer ease and professional polish makes it a tantalizing prospect, one that could finally dethrone GoPro as the action camera king. While mysteries remain, like the fate of its 360-degree sibling and final pricing, the pieces are in place for a device that doesn't just meet expectations but redefines them. Now, will the Osmo Action 6 be the secret star of the action camera world? If the rumors hold, the answer is a resounding yes. Thanks for watching.